We've done various BMW M340s, but we have not done many Alpinas at all, and definitely not a latest B3 at all. This is quite an interesting experience, I would say, especially since last year we've done a B7, which is quite a heavy baby, but I said the chassis development of that car was absolutely insane. So in this case, this was also quite an experience because we already did a lap to make sure we could get on, and yeah, let's talk a bit about more. So first of all, can you pop the bonnet, because I think that's actually something very nice to show. Usually I have been told the Alpinas use like normal road engines like B58 or whatever. In this case we have S58 underneath that you would find underneath, well, not the M5, but M3, M4, etc. It's just slightly down-tuned, but it offers lots and lots of drivability. Then the car sits on Conti 7 tires, so 255 on the front. Brakes were from the X7, you said? Yeah, so bigger brakes. And for the rest, it's fully stock. Yeah, completely stock. Also, X7 brakes obviously are being mounted by Alpina to make it more drivable, and it's amazing. Now, one more thing to mention is that the mileage we have total 174,000 kilometers. So that shows how reliable the car is. And I think this lap will show you how insane, amazing Alpina handling is. So awesome, awesome, awesome. Maybe I should get the Alpina next. As a replacement for the M3 Touring. Or maybe the other car has been already unveiled by now. Regardless, I'm really, really, really impressed. So thanks again for this lap. I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
And see you next time. And you guys enjoy this lap. We're ready. We made it on the track, so let's see what the down-tuned S58 can do.
More reliable.
I haven't heard many people blowing up their
That's true, actually, yeah.
engines, so I mean, it would make sense, of course, that would be more reliable, but
So far?
yes, I mean, we wouldn't be able to do what we're doing if I was not trusting the car. more usable than the an actual M car with like a full power S58.
Yeah.
Because it's
torque.
In a stock setting, it's like too much power for like the chassis, because you need to really upgrade the. Ideally, like have at least like a performance wing on it or something.
Yeah.
But this is very nice and usable. It's the other thing is like the brakes. I would have a bit more initial bite or whatsoever.
Yeah.
Yes, but it's nice.
So much cheaper in Germany, so I've got some ready to collect and add now. All the brakes, all the suspension parts I need.
Nice. I really like the torquiness of the engine.
Yeah.
Super good.
Traffic today.
A bit, but it makes it more dynamic.
Yeah.
I guess.
Mileage S58 you've seen?
Oh, good question. I don't know actually. What's this one?
170,000
miles.
kilometers.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
that's a lot.
Yeah, for 3 years old as well.
Nice. I mean, that's what they're meant to be, like, you know, the
Yeah.
Alpinas do. Wagon.
Nice. My favourite corner here.
Yes. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Still got it, yeah.
Sad. No, fantastic. So
Yeah.
far, really, really good. Really enjoyable. Great chassis. I mean, this is a daily Autobahn cruiser.
Absolutely, yeah.
It proves again that it's just like it's a track car.
Yeah.
Or I mean, Autobahn, to go from Autobahn to, like, you know, to the
Yeah.
Nürburgring or something.
I mean, I'm sure it's had a lot of easy miles so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's got different turbos to an M3 as well. It's still
Okay.
twin turbo, but they're different.
Ah, yes, yeah, and I've seen that video.
Yeah.
I like the guy's attitude.
Yeah.
Like,
He'll pull through.
yeah.
that in an estate car.
Thumbs up to each other.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. Yeah, fantastic. Chassis, very good. Power, fantastic. Like I said, I like it. More power is always good.
Yeah.
But the
This is
downshift,
usable power, right?
this is usable. That's the
Yeah.
thing. I would just have a bit better brakes. Because
These ones are like 70% worn, so maybe they're a bit tired. These
it's
ones.
also like the brake pedal was getting softer towards the end.
Okay, yeah.
Still firm, but like the pressure point was going like a bit later, so
Yeah.
it's but it could be like old fluid, stock
Yeah,
fluid,
yeah.
you know, you change that and it's fine, because like 170,000 kilometers, that says a lot. No, super cool.
Nice.
I mean, like the GT4 has shown the benchmark of this car.
Yeah.
We had, of course, better torque and power. He had
But you're
better
keeping up on
handling.
it, even in the corners, maybe just like,
Yeah,
it's good.
yeah, for a family car.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
guess it's, loved it. Very, very cool. Amazing. So we clear.
Clear.
Fantastic.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. I really enjoyed it. It's very, very nice. Very cool. Just a little bonus, as you can see, we're still rolling. The temperatures after the lap. It's like transmission 67, oil temperature 90. Amazing. And we've been like really pushing, and especially being bumper to bumper to the what's it called, to the GT4. We had less cooling. Amazing. Really, really nice.